Hey guys, in this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you download Call of Duty Mobile on PC. In order to download Call of Duty on PC, you just have to follow these steps. For that, you want to open up your browser and install Steam to your PC. The next thing you want to do is when you have installed the Steam, then you want to come to the store and here you want to type in Call of Duty. When you locate Call of Duty, which one you want to download or install, you can see this is how it's going to look like. So next thing what you want to do is you simply want to go ahead and click on install or maybe play, or you have to actually buy this game. So if you happen to buy this game, then you want to add in the card details, all sort of things, follow on the answering prompt, and you'll be able to download Call of Duty onto your PC. This is how it actually works. The other thing you also want to do is you could directly install Call of Duty from your browser as well. Just follow the on-screen prompt, and that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.